what you wrote in the general chat. Like, isn't that a bit? Yeah, we got the new coffee machine today. You look good today. Did you do something to your hair? Can we go to the studio? Yeah, studio's kind of far ahead.
You look good. You look good.
Customers by bringing those items back to their attention. Plus, you can make sure.
Hey guys, just wanted to pop in to say, Omnisend is going to Torino, baby! That's right, we're heading to the heart of Italy for WordCamp Europe. So for all of you WordPress aficionados, see you there and saluti. And now back to our usual programming. Check out the sick transition. Hey there Omnisenders, welcome back to our monthly roundup of all things Omnisend. Product reviews. So let's kick things off and dive into the latest improvements to our product reviews feature. Previously, only customers who received a product review email from you could leave a review. Now we're opening the doors wider. Any customer who buys something from you can drop a review. They can head to the store, click leave a review, and pop in an email address. It's that simple. We want everyone who buys from you to have a chance to tell their story. But don't worry about getting a flood of random comments. Reviews won't go live right away. You get to decide what goes public. You can check out these reviews and publish them whenever you feel like by tweaking a few settings in the publishing options under the Reviews tab. And here's something else we're excited about: the new verified badge. This little badge tells everyone that a review comes from someone who actually bought the product. It's all about keeping things real and building trust. Plus, if you see a review that really stands out, you can slap a verified badge on it yourself right from the Omnisend app. Email Builder. First off, we've made it easier for you to connect with your customers' specific interests. Now when setting up product recommendations in your emails, you can select specific product categories. This means if you know your customers are into, say, eco-friendly products, you can make sure those are the items they're seeing. It's all about making those recommendations more relevant and ultimately more effective. But what about items you don't want to recommend right now? Maybe something's out of stock or just not ideal for promotion at the moment, right Frank? No worries, we've got you covered there too. You can now exclude specific products from your recommendations. This feature works whether you've selected specific categories or not, giving you a complete control over what's being showcased in your emails. He's just kind of chill like that. And here's a feature that's all about making the most of your customers' browsing habits. We're rolling out a new type of recommendation that showcases products your contacts have recently viewed. It's a fantastic way to re-engage your customers by bringing those items back to their attention. Plus, you can make sure you're not suggesting products they've just bought, keeping your recommendations fresh and relevant. This feature will be exclusive to automated emails, helping you target the right customers at the right time to boost engagement and drive up sales. Segmentation. So managing your contact list just got a whole lot clearer. You good, Frank? What does this mean for you? You can now quickly filter and find exactly what you're looking for, whether it's seeing which contacts are ready to download, which exports are preparing, or even identifying lists that have expired. Account security. First up, we're introducing the option to enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA. When you turn on 2FA, not only will you need your password to log in, but you'll also need a code generated by an authenticator app. This 1-2 punch of security measures drastically reduces the risk of unauthorized access to your account. And because we know things don't always go as planned, maybe your phone is lost or your app isn't accessible, we've thought ahead. During the 2FA setup process, you'll have the option to copy or download recovery keys. Keep these safe because they're your backup plan, making sure you can always access your Omnisend account no matter what. Integrations. And now let's zoom through some of the latest integrations designed to make your life a whole lot easier, whether you're booking appointments or jazzing up your marketing campaigns. First up, for those of you managing service-based businesses, meet BookingPress. This WordPress appointment booking plugin lets you manage appointments without any coding know-how. No tech skills? Just like Frank, no problem. BookingPress takes care of your bookings from A to Z, letting you focus more on your clients and less on the admin. Next, welcome Foxify, a comprehensive Shopify page builder that now supports embedding Omnisend forms directly into your Shopify pages. This means you can grow your audience more effectively by seamlessly incorporating sign-up forms into your store, boosting user engagement and subscriber growth. Ever wanted your emails to really pop? Grid and Pixel lets you do that with custom animated graphics that you can craft yourself. Whip up something special, grab the code, drop it into your Omnisend emails, and get ready for O's and Ahs. Moving on, Foxkit offers an all-in-one sales solution for your Shopify store. It's packed with everything from user collecting forms to nifty little widgets like countdown timers that make your offers impossible to ignore. Last but not least, Brave Conversion Engine turns your WordPress site into a lead-generating machine. It's all about creating those eye-catching pop-ups on forms that visitors just can't resist. And the best part, all the info gets zipped straight into Omnisend so you can keep the conversation going. And there you have it, folks. As you dive into these new features, remember we're always here to help. Whether you're exploring the new integrations or fine-tuning your campaigns, our award-winning team is just a message away, ready to assist you in making the most out of Omnisend. And of course, stay tuned for more updates and more features. Arrivederci, and catch you in the next one. All right, Frank, so what do you think about the filming? Which feature did you like the most? Personally, I like the no-text solutions offered by integrations. Yeah, let's go here. You wanna go? Let's go get some coffee.